Welcome to all. So right now we are going to discuss about the MAC address table and ARP protocol, address resolution protocol of it. So here I am going to demonstrate it with the help of the Cisco Packet Tracer. So right now I am going to set up the network in a Cisco Packet Tracer and simulate it, how the MAC, what is mean by the MAC address and how does it works. So purpose of the ARP protocol, so and so information. So I will demonstrate to you here. So first I'm going to create a network. So in this network I am going to use a switch. So here this switch I'm going to use it 296024TT switch, and I'm going to use 3 end systems for this network. Okay, I'm going to use I'm going to connect those devices together. Okay, right. So we are connected. It has a problem. Okay, so we are connected. So right now we need to set up IP address to each end devices here. So I'm going to connect it. 192.168.1.1. Okay, 1.2 and 1.3. Okay, right now we set it. We properly set up the network. So right now we need to check the network is works or not. Okay, go to the PC 1 desktop section, command prompt, ping two. Okay, right, it works. And the 3, it works. Okay, so here I'm going to simulate it. Here 3. Okay, once I initiate it, okay, here is the protocol data unit transmitter from source to destination. Here you see the MAC address. So the remaining layers are not used here because of we are used the switch layer works in a the switch works in a layer 2. So the layer 2 which hold the information of source and destination MAC addresses. Okay, here this is source device MAC address, the destination device MAC address. Okay, once you click the PDU, it will shows you about the information of the given PDU. So here you can see the information of it. Okay, right. So right now we need to know what is a MAC address table. MAC address table which determine the what is mean by the MAC address table. MAC address table is nothing but which is stored, which maintained, not stored, it maintained by the switch. The switch maintain how many devices are connected with the switch. Okay, what kind of information it has. It contains the information of all devices MAC address. That's it. So the MAC address table here, how could you list the MAC address name here? Enable show MAC address table. Yeah, show MAC address table. So right now you have a MAC address table list. So the MAC addresses of each devices and what type of connectivity is this, and the port, the given port of fast Ethernet connection port number is listed here. And the next one, we need to know the purpose of ARP. Okay, ARP-A, it will shows you that the information of it. So the source device IP and the all devices IP addresses are listed here. Okay, so right now I'm connected with the 192.168.1.1 that IP, so it shows me the remaining devices IP addresses and the remaining devices physical address. What is mean by physical address? That is a MAC address. IP address is a logical address of the given system. MAC address is a physical address of the given device. And here, so which means it's deleted all the information. So ARP-D, that means deleted all of the information. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand what is the purpose of MAC address table.